This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today, we are in the community Spring Mountain Ranch, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing KB Homes' Carmel Ridge Residence 5 model home with the junior suite floor plan, showcased with optional builder upgrades. The open floor plan single-story home measures approximately 3,148 square feet. They will be building a total of 134 homes at Carmel Ridge, with an average lot size of 7,200 square feet. The great room has high ceilings, recessed lights, and a sliding glass door that really bring the light in. A nice safety feature this home has is a whole house fire sprinkler system. The community has no HOA and features miles of pedestrian trails as well as a 6-acre community park with sand volleyball court, basketball court, barbecue, and picnic areas. The views of this home behind the Riverside Hills are just so tranquil and relaxing. This was filmed mid-January. Couldn't you just imagine sitting in the backyard right now and enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather? And if you're a gardening enthusiast like me, then you're probably already thinking of what you would like to plant first. The kitchen has beautiful countertops, stunning backsplash, and USB charging ports. It also features stainless steel appliances such as an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher. The center island has a stainless steel sink with fabulous views to the backyard and a breakfast bar, which is great for casual dining or for a quick bite to eat. Another nice feature this model home has is this walk-in pantry. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. This home also includes heating and air conditioning. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, is quite nice and a bit away from the other bedrooms. It has windows, recessed lighting, and is carpeted. The ensuite master bathroom has a separate shower and a bathtub. It has cabinets and dual sinks. This home also includes green features, such as dual-pane, energy-efficient low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. Another great feature the owner's suite has is this large master walk-in closet. It has plenty of room for both winter and summer clothes. You will also find a private water closet with a toilet. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. The laundry room has washer-dryer hookups and a shelf for all your supplies. It is located near Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. The flex room can be used as a living room, dining room, office, basically whatever your heart desires. It also has recessed lighting and windows. I was pleased to see the den. Since many are working from their home these days, this room would make a great home office with a designated area to study or work. The powder room has a toilet, a pedestal sink, and a mirror. In the hallway, you will find a coat closet. There is also another closet, which is great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. There is also direct access to the 2-car garage. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the other bedrooms. The second bedroom has a window, is carpeted, and has a closet. The third bedroom has a window, a closet, and is also carpeted. They really did an amazing job decorating this room. I am sure my son would have loved it when he was growing up. You will find the fourth bedroom is displayed as an optional suite. It is large and roomy. It has windows that really bring the light in, recessed lighting, and is carpeted. It also has a nice walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom has a shower, toilet, cabinets, and a sink. The room even has a kitchenette. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. The guest bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying a house or selling your home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.